In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom Shopify store with Lovable full integration tutorial. We'll start by opening lovable.dev in your browser. This is where we'll generate the foundation of your custom Shopify experience. Once you're in, you'll see a prompt field. Take a moment here to be detailed and specific. Describe your brand, the types of products you sell, the tone of your copy, preferred color palettes, layout ideas, any sections you want, like featured collections or testimonials, and any special functionality you need. The clearer your prompt, the better the generated store will match your vision, so don't rush this part. After you submit your prompt, Lovable will generate your store. When it's ready, review the design and walk through the key flows as if you were a customer. Check navigation, product cards, buttons, mobile responsiveness, and overall visual consistency. Make small adjustments in Lovable if something looks off, and refresh to preview changes. This is your chance to fine-tune before publishing. If you're happy with how it looks and works, click Publish in the top right corner within Lovable, then confirm. As soon as it's live, copy the published URL. Keep this handy. You'll use it inside Shopify to display your Lovable built page. Now, open your Shopify admin and head to Online Store. From there, go to Pages. This is where we'll create a new page that pulls in the Lovable content. Click Add Page to create a fresh page. Give it a clear title so you can recognize it later in navigation or menus. In the page editor, switch to the HTML view. You'll see an option to show the raw code of the page. This is important because we're about to embed your Lovable content. Paste your custom code here using the URL you copied from Lovable. Most merchants use an embed approach, so the Lovable page displays directly within your Shopify page. If your theme supports it, make sure the embed is responsive so it looks great on mobile and desktop. Add any light styling you might need to match your store's fonts and spacing. When you're done, save the page and preview it. Confirm the content loads smoothly, links and buttons work, and the layout feels cohesive with the rest of your store. If anything needs refinement, return to the HTML editor to adjust the embed or spacing. That's it. You've generated a custom store with Lovable, published it, and integrated it into Shopify through a new page. Congratulations and enjoy building on this solid foundation.